Hi, today we'll learn how to export video to MP4 in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here video which we have already edited. If we want to export it, we need to click on the render option. It is very important to select that, or you can use shortcut from your keyboard, Ctrl Return. After that, you need to open the render project tab. It is very important to open this option. And now from the list, we need to go to generic, because here you can find MP4 format. I select this format, then I select full project, because then full project will be exported. And of course we can change the path. So I click here to open file dialog, and I select here maybe desktop. Now I type the file name, for example video, file, and here we can select the format, yeah? So I recommend you to have here MP4, and after that I click save button. Then I click render to file, and after that rendering process will be started in, and after a moment your file will be successfully rendered. So how you see it has been successfully exported to MP4 file. So if I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's solved your problem.